Some nights feel ordinary. Same table. Same pancakes. Same small joys. But sometimes, the quiet moments we don't expect become the ones that change everything. Not just for us, but for someone who needed hope more than we knew. It was just another Saturday night for Matt Daniels. A single dad, working full-time at a hardware store. Trying to hold it all together after losing someone he loved. Every weekend, he and his 6-year-old daughter, Lily, had a little tradition. The diner on 8th and Maple. 2 pancakes. 1 chocolate milk. To the world, it was small. To Lily, it was everything. That night, as she giggled and made smiley faces with syrup, a soft voice cut through the noise of dishes and quiet chatter. "Excuse me, sir, could we have your leftovers?" Matt looked up, confused. 5 kids stood in front of him. The oldest maybe 12. Behind them, a tired woman stood silently, arms wrapped around herself. Her eyes were hollow, ashamed. But it was the youngest boy's eyes that hit Matt hardest. Big. Worn. Empty. No tears. Just hunger. And a quiet kind of pain no child should ever know. Matt looked at his plate, still full. Lily was still laughing, unaware. He looked back at them. The woman tried to speak but no words came. Her lips trembled. Gently, Matt asked, "How long since they've eaten?" She hesitated, then whispered, "Yesterday morning." Something inside Matt broke. Without thinking, he stood. "Come sit," he said. She shook her head quickly. "We didn't mean." "Please," Matt said. "My daughter loves company." The kids lit up like Christmas lights. Their tired faces slowly turned to smiles. Matt waved over the waitress. "Bring them whatever they want, pancakes, burgers, milkshakes. Put it on my tab." The waitress paused. "Are you sure?" Matt nodded. "Serve them like they're your own." Soon, laughter filled the booth. Lily shared her crayons. The little boy told Matt he wanted to be a firefighter. And when Matt handed him a warm roll, that boy, the one with the broken eyes, he smiled. Like sunlight breaking through storm clouds. Across the table, the mother, Rosa, whispered, "Thank you," again and again. Between bites, she told him her story. She was a widow too. 2 months ago, they lost everything in a fire, their home, her job, their peace. The shelters were full. Each day was a fight just to eat. Matt didn't speak much. He just listened. Then, without a word, he slid a small card across the table. "My address," he said. "There's a couch, and a guest room. Just until you're back on your feet." Rosa stared at the card. "But you don't even know us." Matt smiled. "I know kids shouldn't be hungry. And I know what it feels like to have no one offer help." That night, Matt's small house on Oak Street was filled with more laughter than it had heard in years. Lily and the 5 kids built a pillow fort in the living room. Rosa, hands still shaking, made tea in the kitchen. Matt stood in the hallway, watching, not saying a word. Because sometimes kindness isn't loud. Sometimes it's just showing up, sharing what little you have, and truly seeing someone. A few months later, Rosa had a job. The kids were back in school. And Matt? Matt had 6 more reasons to smile every day. What started as a simple meal became a brand new beginning for them all. And anytime someone asked why he helped strangers, Matt would just smile and say, "They weren't strangers. Just a family I hadn't met yet. It doesn't take much to be kind. Not money. Not power. Just a heart. One warm meal. One open door. One stranger who cares." And suddenly, the world feels a little less cold. Because family isn't always who you're born with. Sometimes it's who you choose to stand beside in the dark.